Hello, my name is Jeff, and I am from the Stream Machines, where we take, the difficult things of streaming and help you one video at a time. Over the last couple of weeks, I've been dropping just very small nuggets about the Kodi software. I made it specifically for beginners and not those that think they know everything about it. But mainly, this is one of the most secure, I would say, best platform or applications that I have used to get a lot of my entertainment and use it as a media selection as well. So one of the most confusing things we're going to look at is the Kodi menu. It can be very confusing, so we're going to jump right in there and just take a look at it and just talk about, since this is for beginners, what to focus on and what not to focus on, because you can get lost in the weeds. Before we jump into it, if you guys are new to the Stream Machines YouTube channel, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. It's greatly appreciated. It helps me with the algorithm of YouTube. And oh, by the way, I submitted an application, I guess, to be a partner of YouTube. I got accepted, so I can get ads run on my channel and learn all the good things that some of the best creators are doing. So let's jump into this video. First, you need Kodi on your device. I'm going to go right into Kodi, and this is exactly what I'm talking about. This is the menu of Kodi. Now, Kodi again is a media center, which you'll see in a moment. It's completely empty. What makes this go, which I'll show in other videos, is in our next video, are the add-ons. How to get add-ons, because that's the secret sauce. But for now, most beginners look at this and they go on the left. Do I have any movies? No, you don't have anything. TV shows? Nope. Music? Nope, not yet. Music videos? Nope. No TV? No radio? No games. But you may have add-ons. So basically, when I have add-ons, I do have one video add-on that I added yesterday. But what I want to focus on is the Android app section. What that does is this mimics every Android app that's on my box right now. From the Yoka TV remote to OTAs to the Health Connect, settings, ExpressVPN, Plex, all of the apps that are on my device right now, they will work even from here. So if I were going to open up PIA, my VPN from Kodi, it just runs the same way. So I can get connected to my VPN. Once I go back here, if I go back, I'm going right back in the platform. So Kodi manages the applications and so much more in this application, in this app. It manages all the Android apps, maybe pictures and videos. There's so much you can do with it, which will go into the other part of the video. Now, what we don't want you to focus on is what it does not do. So as a beginner, you don't need to focus on anything except getting used to this menu. Now, anytime you're here, the only way you're going to have games is you have to learn how to add things to this media player. And there's so much to learn about this device. Well, not this device, but this application, that a lot of people sleep on it. Or some people have been streaming for a long time and they'll tell you a sob story that Kodi did this or didn't do that. Let's just break it down. This is a great media section. So I'm going to go to the section where the settings are at the top here. Press OK. Now you're going to see the settings. So I got File Manager. I have add-ons, which will go. You got system information. You got event logs. You have services. You have system. If I go to system, you have different things that you got power saving. You can turn on to receive third-party add-ons. Whatever. There's display. You can set that up. You can go really into this. Now, this is on standard settings, but if you go down here, you can turn it to advanced and even expert. But most people should just leave it on basic. Very basic settings. Or you could go back to standard. So they have basic, standard, I think something else. Let me see. Advanced and expert. So we're going to go back to standard. But this is the menu that you shouldn't get bogged down or wonder what's going on. There's so much here, and we're going to break it down in our next video. We're going to show you how to put gas in this car. So if Kodi was a Porsche, what type of gas would you, or fuel would you put in it? And the biggest thing that you could do with the Kodi software is this, add-ons. We're going to break down the myth of add-ons and even show you where there are already some repositories from the Kodi software, which are totally legal, easy to get, and it's going to be easy for you to use. Hey, give me a thumbs up if you thought this was easy enough to pass on. And do me a favor, share this video with someone that needs to know the basics about Kodi. As I exit this video, thank you guys for supporting this channel, keeping this channel where it needs to be. And I am grateful that you're still here and grateful that you choose the Stream Machines. You guys have a great day, and we'll see you in the next video.